A natural morning tea to boost your metabolism and help you to burn body fat. Take 1 cup of warm water in a mason jar, add a dash of cayenne pepper, a dash of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic salt, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 3 to 5 drops of liquid stevia. Seal the mason jar, shake it up, and then drink it on an empty stomach. So what's so special about these ingredients? 1. Fired up your metabolism. Starting your day with the spicy compounds from cayenne and ginger can speed up your metabolism. The capsaicin in cayenne stimulates adrenaline, which increases fat breakdown for increasing energy later in the day. 2. Detoxifying poisons. The bitter lemon juice can trigger the release of bile from your liver, helping to eliminate toxic chemicals from the body, and it assists in dissolving and metabolizing fat. 3. Boosted energy. When you've been asleep all night, you often become dehydrated, making you feel more tired in the morning. However, the sodium chloride in the sea salt helps water to be absorbed quickly into your cells to hydrate you and give you more energy. And then there's the blood sugar support. Cinnamon is actually one of the best remedies to stabilize blood sugar to reduce hunger pangs and cravings throughout the day. Benefit 5 is eliminating waste. Many people don't know this, but sodium from the sea salt triggers the release of digestive enzymes in your stomach. This helps to break down foods properly and push out old food waste. This works very well when combined with ginger, which relaxes the muscles in the digestive tract to minimize bloating, constipation, and nausea. Number 6 is the antioxidant and anti-aging benefits. If you prefer to, you can replace the stevia drops with some raw honey to add more anti-aging polyphenols. However, honey can slow fat burning a little, so bear that in mind. And then there's the benefits of reduced inflammation. The drink also has a very strong anti-inflammatory effect when it's used every day, and these effects can build up over time. With regular use, it can speed up white blood cells, helping to protect your body against infections. It may also calm down chronic inflammation in the gut and the rest of the body. 8. Improved blood flow. The spicy capsaicin ingredient in the cayenne pepper helps dilate blood vessels to improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your organs, in particular your liver, your pancreas, and your thyroid, which are all very important for a good metabolism. Which ingredient should I use? Use freshly squeezed lemon juice, not bottled, as it's pasteurized and it's missing the key vitamin C. Opt for either Celtic or Himalayan sea salt, not refined table salt, for more minerals. And always use natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or raw honey, never actual sugar. But what if you're sensitive to spice? I suggest starting with just a tiny dash of that cayenne pepper and then building it up slowly. Even just a small amount has metabolism boosting effects. When exactly should you drink it? Ideally, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach so that the ingredients get better absorbed. Ensure that you wait at least 20 minutes before eating breakfast for maximum effect. And another common question is, can you make a bigger batch and store it? Unfortunately, volatile enzymes and polyphenols in these ingredients start to degrade within a few hours, so it is important to spend a little time and make this fresh every day. Try to enjoy the process, spending a little time every day working on yourself. It's a great tool for building discipline and health. If you're drinking it mainly to lose weight, I also suggest pairing it with a low-carb, high-protein diet. And to boost your metabolism even further, consider drinking apple cider vinegar at night before you go to bed. For more information on this, watch the video on screen now. Thank you for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.